Hi everyone! Welcome back to MomNMeBeauty. Today we are going to be doing a video on what I have in my purse. Now I know, judging by the title of this video, all of you were thinking, Emma, you're only 14, why do you need a purse? Well, I like to go shopping a lot and I need some stuff with me. A lot of stuff with me. So let's get started. Okay, so first up, I'm going to show you my purse, and this is a pretty decent sized purse for me, and this is by Siriano. This is his, I think it's his tote bag, but don't count me on that. This is from his Payless collection, and if you guys don't know about him or you know what he does, he is a fashion designer that won Project Runway, and ever since then, he's been doing a lot. He's been designing for plus size women, which is a huge industry now, and my mom and I just adore him for that sole purpose. And when we found out that he was doing a collaboration with Payless, saw some of his things there, I was just like, yes, I need something from that collection. So I bought a few pairs of shoes and this purse. Now this purse is made out of faux white leather, and it's got a lot of storage in it. It's got a pocket in the front, and it has a zipper pocket inside of the purse. So that is my purse. I have a wallet in here for, you know, all of my beauty cards and awards, gloves. So this is my wallet, and this is from Madison West. Now we don't have an actual Madison West store where I live, but I just got this at a TJ Maxx or Marshall's. It has some card slots and a place for, you know, ID or a driver's license or whatever you need to put in a clear pocket. And then it has two larger pockets for like money, or if you just want to take this as like a clutch purse, you can put your phone in it. And I absolutely love this wallet. And it also has a zipper pocket for like money if you want to put it in there as well. Next thing I have in my purse is an essential for, you know, a beauty lover, and that is a cosmetics bag. Now I keep all of my makeup and my compact mirrors in this Ipsy bag that I got, I think about a year ago. Inside it, I have a decent amount of stuff. The first thing I have in my makeup bag is this light up compact mirror that I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. I think this is the coolest thing that I've seen there. It lights up and it has two mirrors inside of it. It's the mirror and it lights up. Next thing I have in my bag is the Bath & Body Works Vanilla Buttercream with Shea Butter hand lotion. Now in the winter, my hands get extremely dry, so I always have to keep some lotion on hand just in case, to keep my hands nice and moisturized. Now on to some actual makeup. The first thing I have in my bag is the e.l.f. matte lip color in Tea Rose. Now I think this was part of the collection with a YouTuber. I can't remember exactly which YouTuber it was, and this is a stunning color for the lips. I love any mauve lipstick, and this is a great option. And the packaging is just gorgeous. I love the sleek rose gold design. Another lip product that I have on hand is the e.l.f. Beauty Shield lipstick in Rose Shield. Now this is supposed to be a tinted lip balm type of lipstick, and it is absolutely that. It moisturizes my lips. It is a beautiful color and actually stays on for a decent amount of time. So yeah, I always have to have this with me. And because your girl has some really oily skin, I have to have some blotting sheets, and these are from ULTA, and the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Pressed Powder. This stuff is great if you're on the go and you just need to freshen up, you know, your forehead or your nose if it's a little shiny. Next must have for my purse is a pair of sunglasses, just in case I need them. And these are the Tahari Sunglasses. These are one of my favorites. They are really pretty, and they are lightweight, so they don't feel too heavy or annoy you. For me, if I have really heavy sunglasses on, it would just bug me. These don't bug me, and they look really cute. And in my purse, I also have a bunch of like earbuds and battery packs, and I didn't think I would just show you guys that because, I mean, that's the boring stuff in my purse. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to share this video with your friends if you enjoyed it, and be sure to click the subscribe button down below and the little bell next to it to be notified of all of our new videos. We do post 2 beauty videos a week, one on Mondays, which is on me day, and on Thursdays, which is either me or my mom. Be sure to comment down below if you have a purse like mine and you fill it with all the necessities, and tell me what those necessities are. Be sure to connect with us on Instagram under MomNMeBeauty, and with me under Emma_N_2004. And I will see you next time in our next MomNMe video. Bye everyone!